Hey guys, how's everything going? This is JSer. In this video, let's take a look at another CSS property called clip path. I seldom used this before. Okay, let's take a look. The clip path property creates a clip in the region that sets what the part of the element should be shown. So the interesting part of this statement is that it doesn't change the shape. It only defines which part of the area could be visible to the user. So the shape itself is still, I would say, default to the rectangle, right? Okay, so this is an example here. Let's inspect it. This is an ordinary image. Yeah, it's rectangle. If you add a clip path circle, so it would be turned circle. But notice that the text flowing around, it doesn't flow around the circle, but still to the base rectangle, right? Yeah, rather than circle, we could also apply the ellipse or polygon or path. This path could be super powerful. We can use it to define any path we want. So it reminds me that rather than using the border hack to create a triangle, we could use this clip path feature to create a fantastic path for us, triangle for us. So you might wonder, what if we want the text to flow around this circle? Well, or this polygon. Well, it's pretty simple, but we'll welcome back to this new property later. It should be called, what is it? Shape outside. Yeah, roughly we can see that it will be floating around along this path, right? Okay, yeah, that's it. Let's take a look at the syntax. We could use path, or we could use a SVG filter, not filter, SVG clip path. And we could use this margin box, border box, and we could use together with them. Let's try this one. The saddest part is that currently the geometry box is not well supported even in Chrome. So yeah, I think it's just to basically define what's the relative box, right? Default is border box, so let's add a border here. Let's change it back to circle and add a border. Say border is 10 pixels solid, it's red. And then, yeah, something like this. We enlarge the circle. You can see that the border actually is included. So you may want to say, okay, I don't want a border, I want the padding box. Then the border won't be included. So this is the relative outer box. It's not supported yet. Okay, let's come back. Here's an example of using the clip path. We can define the path not directly in the CSS, but also in this SVG, and refer it to clip path by using URL, and this is ID. Yeah, and this path, well, this is original path, and we could apply it to CSS in here. So this is HTML, this is SVG. But it's slight difference. Well, maybe this is because about the geometry box. We haven't supported it yet. Okay, so here, clip path, this is a nicely circle. And yeah, this is the circle add or coordinates. So now if we add the fill box, it's not supported yet, so actually there's no circle at all, and we will see the normal rectangle. Yeah, let's inspect the last example. This is the last one. This is an image clip path. Oh, yeah, you can see that the clip path actually add us the a cross in the middle, right? Wow, this is super interesting. Let's see what it is. Clip path. This is the cross. Cross. Where is the cross? Cross. Clip path. URL cross ID. Where is no ID? This is the SVG. Oh yeah, this is the cross SVG, and we actually see that add 4 rectangles. Okay, if we remove any one of them, okay, this clip path, remove one, yeah, and remove another one, remove another one. So we're not creating the cross, but compositing with the 4 areas, right? Let's see. Yeah. Okay. This is the clip path rec. Oh yeah. It says this one is the bottom. Change to like 100. What happens? Oh no, change it X to smaller one. You can see that. Yeah, this changes the area of the original image. Great. I haven't dig into the details, but you can see that how powerful this clip path is. Okay, hope it helps. See you next time. Bye bye.